Okay, for the high VSWR measurement, if you see that here our aim is about to find out that minima here. So this one is about a distance between these two minima, that is a D1, D2 that we have to obtain. To obtain the D1 minus D2, okay, so we need to consider that, find out the where is the minima. Then we need to move toward the load, we'll get that D2. We move toward the generator, we'll get the D1. So that difference, that D1 minus D2, that is to be used to find out the high VSWR measurement. So then lambda g by 2, lambda g by pi, lambda g is to be obtained by using the frequency measurement. So for that purpose we need to consider that that is a movable short here, and then a distance between that two distance using that movable short, so we will get the lambda g here. So now we consider here, okay, we consider here this SS tuner to adjust that high VSWR there, and from this high VSWR we need to find out the first V minimum here, and from this minimum we need to find out the two, that D1 and D2. So how to obtain the D1 and D2? We need to consider that if this output is connected to the VSWR meter, so that we get that a minimum value, and from the minimum value we need to find out the another minimum here. Okay, now it is connected to the VSWR meter. We need to adjust that a high VSWR using this particular probe here. Okay, so we can move here. We can move. Okay, likewise, so we can adjust that high VSWR value, and we need to find out where is the first minima. Then measure the particular distance, that will be a D1. Then move toward the load, toward the generator, find out the another distance, that is D1, and move toward the load. We can find out the another distance, that is about a D2 here. So even we can use that output of this is connected to the CRO here. So when we move here, okay, so we will get the minima somewhere. Okay, so from that particular minima, we need to go toward the load and toward the generator and find out the D1 and D2. Okay, this way we can find out the VSWR. That is about a VSWR measurement.